Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix Messenger video call sound problem. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Messenger app on your mobile device, and the most basic problems related to sound problems is bad internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable connection before contacting that person. You can also open your device's control center and try switching over to your mobile data as it is more stable. If this doesn't solve your problem, make sure to check if your Messenger app is updated to the latest version available. Simply open the App Store or Play Store, search for Messenger and check if there is an update available. Another thing you can try doing is offloading the app. For that, go to your device's settings, access General, then iPhone Store. Now locate Messenger and then offload and reinstall it. So that's basically how you can fix Messenger video call sound problem. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.